is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am just straightening up the living room, get these blankets put away, and I did not realize my shirt did not match my pants. I walked around like that all day. I went and ran all my errands, went grocery shopping, and I am the type of person I have to match all times. And on this day, I did not. And that kind of drives me crazy. I literally debated if I was going to finish editing this video and post it. But this is real life. My husband was sleeping. And I just got dressed in the dark because I had to get up and get with the kids up and get them ready for school. So that's just real life. And I sprayed some of my homemade lavender linen spray on the couch. And I am using some air freshener, that's the little wallflower things I get from Bath and Body Works. I just poured a little bit of that into my diffuser, and the one I was using was black cherry. Smells really good. So now I'm just going to get the vacuum, get the floor vacuumed. Oh my gosh, I am so tongue-tied today. And as I am cleaning, Bailey decides to start grabbing dog toys just to stroll through the house. So I have moved on to the foyer area, and I'm going to get all this wiped down and dusted really well. And I am filling up this diffuser, and I'm putting the same oil in, which is the black cherry. I get those from Bath and Body Works, and they smell so good, and it just makes my whole house smell really good. So I was getting rid of the shoe rack because nobody uses it. And this mirror I bought for the bathroom. There's a few other things I want to get. And then my plan is to start working on that this weekend, which I will be filming. But there's just like a few more things I want to get before I actually get started on it. But that is the plan, and I cannot wait because it is overdue for this bathroom to get redone. So now I am just using my cordless Dyson vacuum to got my steam mop out and I'm going to steam clean these floors. And the pad on this thing after I got done, oh my goodness, it was so gross. I'll show you guys here in a few minutes as soon as I'm done. So this is the very next evening and I'm just wiping down the dresser, and I also have a small clothing haul I am going to share with you guys as well towards the end of the video. So right here I was just unplugging the electric heater because it is finally warmed up and I can put that in the shed. Our bedroom is the coldest room in this whole house in the winter. And it is the hottest room in the house in the summer. So we also have a window unit that is being hidden behind the curtain. So I just got done wiping down the end tables, so now I am just stripping the bed. I wash my sheets every week, and my mattress cover, I like to wash that like every other week. So now I'm just going to go and toss all that in the washer and then finish up the rest of the room. some of the dresses I got from Burlington. I paid $12 for this one. This I got off of Amazon. It was $6. It don't look nothing like it did in the picture. And got this one. Got it from Burlington. This one was $18. I got this one from Burlington, and it was, let me find the tag. This one was $10. I'll try them on and show you what they look like. Here's this one. It's cute. Here is this dress. This is the one I got off of Amazon. It doesn't look like it did on there. This is more like a, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a nightgown, the material of it. So I don't know if this one is a keeper or not. It's not really, I don't know. It's not my favorite. So now this one is my favorite. Got this one from Burlington. The gap is a little big, so I'm gonna try to find like a little shirt maybe that kind of matches this, just so I can kind of cover my boobs. But this is one of my favorites. I got this one from Burlington too. Okay, and this one I got from Burlington, but you guys, I honestly thought it was a sundress. I'm wrong. I don't know about this one. I'm not a fan of it, and I think this one's going back. I mean, I like the fact that it's all tie-dyed and stuff, but it's pants, and I'm already I'm kind of big, so this just makes me look even bigger than what I really am. Kind of makes me look pregnant. I'm not, I'm just fat. So yeah, this is this one. I think this one's going back tomorrow. I'm not a fan of it. So now I am making the bed, and it's about 11:15 while I'm making this bed at night. My sheets and mattress cover just got done, so I'm gonna get that all made up, and it's not gonna be made fancy or nothing because I am literally, as soon as I got done making this bed and finishing up in here, I took my shower and I crawled into bed because it was late. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification button to let you know every time I upload a new video. And I do have my bathroom makeover video coming up in the next, not next week, but the week after next. I'll have that one going up hopefully the week after next. Get it done. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. So happy Easter, early Easter,